One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
As you guys know, I started a petition and open letter, wrote an open letter to Uber and Lyft CEOs, and more than 1,000 people signed it so far. But what I would like is I would like to get 10,000 signatures for this petition minimum. It's on change.org, and with your indulgence, folks, I am going to read the open letter for you guys, because I'm gonna read it on my phone because the screen is too small. And then please go, if you do agree with it, please go sign it and post it on your Facebook page or up.net or whatever you are as a driver, because I think it's an important thing. I know the back end of the work of this that I'm doing, so I need your support with this. Okay. Here we go. All right, dear Dara, Khosrowshahi, and David Risher, as both Uber and Lyft celebrate increasing stock prices, expanding profitability, and billions in investor returns, there is no better moment to recognize the people who made that success possible: your drivers. Every trip, every passenger, and every milestone your companies have achieved has been powered by millions of individuals who kept the wheels turning through pandemics, inflation, and shifting market forces. Drivers absorbed rising gas prices, maintenance costs, and declining earnings, all while keeping your platforms alive and growing. Now, Uber shares are at an all-time high, while the company is buying back billions of dollars of stock and investing heavily in new ventures and autonomous vehicle partnerships. Lyft has stabilized and its shares have doubled in a year. That's all good news for your investors. But there is one key group that has yet to feel the benefits of this success: the people behind the wheel. Surely a fraction of that could be directed back to the drivers who made these milestones possible. Imagine the impact, not just financially, but symbolically, of announcing a $1 billion thank you bonus to be distributed to active drivers, specifically in the US and worldwide. It is not charity, it's recognition. It's an acknowledgement that real people created real value. And without drivers' blood, sweat, and tears, Uber would not be an S&P 500 company with an astounding 250 billion market capitalization. The same spirit that led Uber and Lyft to share rewards with drivers when they went public could once again send a clear message: we see you, we value you, we succeed together, let's share the wealth. With autonomous vehicles on the horizon and the industry evolving, now is the moment to rebuild trust, strengthen loyalty, and ensure that drivers feel like true partners in the future of mobility, not just temporary labor while technology catches up. Your companies are in rare position of strength. Use this moment not just to reward shareholders, but to honor the drivers who carried you here. Without drivers, there is no Uber and Lyft. In Uber's case, $1 billion invested in gratitude would return tenfold in goodwill, retention, and brand legacy. Sincerely, the drivers who built the rideshare economy and the millions who still make it move every day. So, a lot of you commented saying they won't do shit without knowing what's going on in the background. That's fine. Negative Nellies are going to be negative Nellies, and I really don't pay too much attention because I'm not negative. But when Jeremy was on about a couple 3 weeks ago from Lyft, I mentioned this to him as well, that, how about replacing incentives with some stock? How about at one time, like they did during the IPO period, give drivers some shares who have maybe some seniority? How about, instead of putting out ridiculous quests and ride challenges, How about we do it in shares? How about we get some skin in the game? How about we do all this? And in fact, there's an article. My last article talks about that, the ups and the downs of paying drivers with shares so we can become their true partners. So I'm asking you kindly, please go sign the petition. It's on our community page. It's on change.org. You can search it there or go to our community page. The link is there. All you have to do is go sign the petition. And please post it everywhere you can so other drivers will sign it, whoever agree with it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.